Hey folks, welcome to the Ballworth channel. Today I'll show you how to get back your call history, even if you've deleted it. Okay, there's really only two ways to do this. Okay, there isn't exactly a totally guaranteed method, there's just this one. So the way it works is you write to your provider, write your operator so they can send you a detailed call list. Yes, it's really possible. For instance, in my case, they just send it to my email. Okay, the first method is guaranteed because they usually provide detailed call records. Now, the second way is to go into settings, go to applications, type phone here and open it up. And here we have, well, the phone app. If your friend has chosen a different app, you can check the call history in that specific app. Okay, here's another way. We have something called SharePlay. Maybe it's turned on for you. If it's switched on, then on the device connected to you, you can see all the call histories. Balworth was with you. Goodbye, everyone.